Welcome, my name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video digital education for beginners. If you're the person that's looking to start your online journey, you want to start an online business and you're not sure what direction you want to go in, but you want a starting point, I'm here to talk about what that looks like and what that required of you to help make happen. The challenge is being on the internet / social media is crowded, it's noisy, there's so many things going on that you have so many people trying to sell you a product or a service or opportunity to do something that's designed to hopefully make you money and in the process make them money. But the challenge with that is finding the right person, the right fit, the right product, the right service, the right opportunity that's going to help you to learn the knowledge and skills needed to teach you the business of online business so you can make a living online. So if you're the new person that's looking for direction, you're looking for leadership, you're looking for accountability, you're looking for all these different things that a new person would be looking for so they won't waste time, money, and frustration on trying to figure these things out on their own, you definitely want to connect with someone that you know, like, and trust. You definitely want to connect with someone that you believe in. You definitely want to connect with someone that you believe has your best interest at heart, who wants to see you make it in this industry. And believe it or not, guys, even though we don't know each other yet, I'm that person who has a desire for you to win, a desire for you to succeed, a desire for you to be successful, but you must be willing to invest in you with the digital marketing education needed to help make that happen. So when it comes to all the different ways to make money online, we're not going to cover all that because it'll just confuse you even more. We want to keep it simple. We want to keep it targeted to the person that's looking to start an online business who doesn't have the knowledge and skills for that to even manifest itself yet. And so they're looking for something that they can invest in that's going to allow them to learn the business of online business and at the same time use it as a product to resell to others who need it just like you do. And so what I offer today is a Master Resale Rights digital marketing course that's going to teach you the business of online business, where from A to Z, all the different topics that's needed for you to learn how to maneuver online comes inside this digital marketing course. The problem with digital marketing is a broad topic in itself. So we have all these many topics, as you will, or many titles or many courses under it that's designed to teach you the business of online business so you can go out there and learn how to use and leverage social media to build and grow a successful, profitable online business for yourself. But the problem is, if you're not willing to invest in the educational portion that's going to give you the knowledge needed to go out and make it happen, then what are we doing? You want to be able to successfully invest in something, learn from it, implement it, get results. You want a return on your investment. That starts with the digital marketing educational course that I'm bringing to the marketplace that I didn't create, that I was given master resale rights and ownership to, that I can take this course, download it to my computer, and it's mine. I own it. It's a digital asset. So that's a bonus on top of the bonus. Then on top of the bonus is that it comes with actual live, real world mentorship to help you get started if you need it. There's a lot of people that purchase this course who don't need mentorship because they're already established, they already know what they're doing, but they see the value and opportunity of investing in this course to help other people who need the knowledge and skills needed to start an online business who don't have it. Because there's so many digital marketing courses out here that you can invest in, and they're at different price points. A lot of them are way more than what we charge for this course, and you don't even get as much as what we bring to the marketplace with this course here, because the people who create this course have already been out here, who've already seen what's out there when it comes to digital marketing and educational courses, and they didn't like what they saw. And so they want to bring a solution to that by making digital marketing educational course that was affordable, because it's only a one-time $500 investment that you can learn from and earn from simultaneously. So this is a product that is going to teach you the business of online business, and you're going to position yourself to leverage it as an opportunity to sell to others who need the digital marketing educational course that you saw value in, that you invested in. So as an entrepreneur, we solve problems. As an entrepreneur, it's my goal, it's my desire to see you win. It's my goal and it's my desire to see you successful. And the only way I can do that is to be honest with you and real with you and transparent with you and tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear, because I'm not your cheerleader. I'm the guy that wants to see you win, and the only way to see you win is to give you the truth and nothing but the truth, and not make it seem so simple that a caveman can do it. In reality, they can't. And so that's the problem that you face being new and inexperienced, and you're online looking and searching for an opportunity to start an online business, and you have all these people bombarding you with all these different products and courses and opportunities to come online and make money, but their marketing sales, their marketing pitch, their marketing message makes it seem so simple and easy to do, which is very, very misleading for the person that's new to having a business in general, let alone an online business, even though having an online business is much more affordable than the brick and mortar traditional route, more flexible, and you can work it anywhere in the world as long as you got a high-speed internet connection and a reliable device to make it happen. But the bottom line is it takes work, daily work. And if you don't know what that looks like, you need to invest in the course that's going to teach you the business of online business, going to teach you about the digital assets, the digital landscape that's out here that's going to allow you to learn how to maneuver through it and make money from it. So the social media is part of that digital landscape. Social media is free. It allows you to build an audience and a community of people that's going to come to know, like, and trust you, who will eventually do business with you as a result of that. But you got to learn how to do it, folks. It's just keep it simple. We got to learn how to do these things. When it came to me starting my primary business of tax preparation, I had to go out and learn how to prepare individual income taxes first in order to provide the service. Because I wasn't one of those people who had gained a gang of money who just want to start a business, who can invest in it, bring people to the business who already had positions and experience and knowledge already that I can fulfill slots where they can just start to get work, and we started to market, we started to get clients, we started to grow. No, the average person starting a business generally starts by themselves. We call solopreneurs self-employed individuals. We do have some exceptions to that. We have some people who start businesses as partnerships, 2 or more people. We have some people who start groups. We have groups that start businesses as well, but the most common one that we hear about, we see about, is the solopreneur / self-employed individual like myself, who starts from ground zero, trying to build and scale and grow based on whatever industry or category or niche they decide to embark on, based on their passion, their zeal, their love for what they're doing. There's different reasons why we do what we do when it comes to starting a business. For me, I had a born desire to always be my own boss and to not have to work for anyone. But at the time, I was too young to figure out what that would be. So I had to simply just keep living my life to find out that one day what I ended up doing for the last 22 years, 16 as a business owner, which was my primary business that brought me to the internet in the first place, was my tax preparation service. But as I've come online and I've been introduced to all these other ways to generate income, that I want to expand my horizon. I want to learn more than what I came online with. So it's a constant investment in me to learn and grow and to build a business that I can be proud of, that I can feel good about. And I believe I'm on that path to doing that. And I've made a turn and a shift to add on the front end my mentorship for new tax professionals, as well as a digital marketing course for the person that's looking to start an online journey who doesn't have the knowledge and skills needed to even make that happen. This course makes it affordable. This course makes it doable. This course gives you the opportunity to get the knowledge, to get the skills you need that's going to position you in the marketplace to make it do what it do for you by having the right information that you can invest in, learn from, and implement. The key to knowledge is being able to take the knowledge and implement it to get the results you want to get. You know, they used to say back in the day, knowledge is power. Knowledge is not power, because we got people sit on knowledge all day long, don't do nothing with it. So there's no power in that. The power comes from you implementing the knowledge that you've learned from. Use it to get the results that it was designed to help you get, so you can help someone else in the process. So I make a living for me and my family by helping aspiring entrepreneurs start their online journey. And right now in this video, we're talking about the digital marketing landscape for people who want to start an online business, who don't have their own product or service, who want something they can invest in, learn from, implement, and make money from, because it's going to teach you how to show up on social media. It's going to teach you how to do the things you need to do. The problem is, are you going to do it? The problem is, will you show up daily? This is not when you feel like it. This is not 3 days out of 5 or 3 days out of 7. It's every day you must show up inside your business so you can build your brand, to build know, like, and trust, to build accountability, build credibility, build responsibility, to build trust in the marketplace, to let people know that you're serious about what you're doing, that you're not a one-hit wonder. You're not here just trying to make a few sales and you're gone tomorrow, but you're here for the long run. This is a long-term venture when it comes to having the business, and you want to show the people through your actions and through your content that you're serious about what you do. You have a desire and a passion for what you do, and you want to help other people who come to the internet looking for a way out to start an online business, because the online business opportunity space is lucrative. You have opportunity to make life-changing income from the comforts of your own home, or once you start to make money on a significant basis, if you decide people want to travel to different places month after month after month, you can. We have people doing that already. You might be one of them. I don't know. You only you know what you want to do with your life and what type of lifestyle you want to live. So in the description of this video, I'm going to have a few links. My main link is going to take you to the digital marketing course, which is digitalzoneacademy.com. That's the domain name I'm using. Another link is going to give you a course to it's going to give you a link to a book that if you're interested in building a business by leveraging the Facebook group, this book teaches you how to do that. And there's only $4.95 for the book. It's a digital book, and it comes in digital and audio. So if you don't feel like reading, it has an audio file that's going to take you through the whole book. I'm doing both. I'm reading and I'm listening to the audio book for an investment of $4.95. It's a no-brainer to invest $4.95. That's going to help teach me how to build a business leveraging Facebook groups. I already have a Facebook group, but I need to learn how to do it in the right way to make the type of income I want to make for my business and for my family and for the type of lifestyle I want to live. So if you're interested in having a digital online presence, and you open to learning the different ways that you can make money online, well, we're going to give you a couple of them inside this video that's going to show you the digital marketing course that's going to teach you the business of online business. Another link that's going to expose you to the book that's going to teach you about how to build a business leveraging Facebook groups. And then another one that's going to give you another link on how to understand that digital marketing and digital business is a thing that's not going anywhere. And so if you're here to make it happen for yourself, if you're here to start and build your online business, but you don't have a clue on what direction you want to go in, and you want an idea of what that's going to look like, what that's going to take, and what's required of you to help make it happen, take advantage of the opportunity to check out the links inside the video. Go to each one, read them for yourself. These are the automation funnels that we use to build our online journey. So when it comes to having an online business, you want to leverage automation because you don't want to have to sit on social media all day long trying to manually facilitate a sale to someone who might be interested in what you had to offer, because that's not realistic for you, especially if you have a family, especially if you have children, especially if you're still working a job right now and you don't have that type of time to hang out on social media, whatever platform you choose to do that on, like Facebook. You can't hang out on Facebook 8 hours a day trying to facilitate a sale manually. It makes no sense. And even if you could, you wouldn't want to, because we leverage technology. We leverage automation. So if you're looking for an opportunity to learn and earn, well, I'm going to leave it to you inside the description of this video, how to do that with my main front-end digital marketing course, which is called the Roadmap 2.0, which is going to teach you the business of online business, where you don't have to figure the stuff out. You ain't got to guess. You ain't got to waste time, money, and frustration by investing in all these different opportunities that's not going to serve you, because you don't understand the opportunity is not what's going to help you make the money. It's you showing up consistently and frequently, daily, through content and a marketing message that's going to speak to your target audience, your target market, that's going to help build an audience for you to have someone to talk to, who's listening, who's going to eventually become a client or a customer of what you have to offer. Because if you don't have an audience, you have no one that's listening. You have no one that's going to eventually buy your product or service, because no one pays attention to you because you don't have an audience. You got to have an audience, people. So I'm here to help the new person that's looking to start an online business get started in a way that's simple, easy, and affordable. If you're interested in that and you want to go where I'm going in 2024, I'm looking to work with 100 people, 100 aspiring entrepreneurs who want to make 6 figures or more in 12 months or less through digital educational opportunities like this, that's going to teach you the business of online business, give you master resale rights, give you the digital asset that you can own, that you're going to position yourself in the marketplace to resell it as if it's your own to other people who see the need and the value in having it, because they want to start their online journey. They don't have the knowledge and skills needed, and they need to have the educational portion of that done, and they need to go invest in it through a course that's going to help teach them the business of online business. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.